Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete cutout sticker on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to delete cutout sticker on Instagram, we have to create a post or a story on Instagram, but we don't need to upload the story or the post, we just need to create it. For example, I'm just going to create a story and I'm just going to upload this photo, and we can go to the sticker section, click on the sticker icon, and then as you can see, these are the stickers I have created, and I'm going to delete one of them. I'm just going to delete the sticker so we can long press on it, then we will get this option and just click on delete. Okay, and alright guys, and now the sticker or the cutout sticker has been deleted, and that's how we can delete cutout sticker on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.